Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel and we are here to do your reading for April second half 2020. I'll be using this deck, which is the Lost Tarot of Nostradamus, and I've already shuffled the cards, so let's begin the read, checking in the energy. So this would be the sneak peek for second half. I've already done the reading for the overall month, so you can get the energies from there and you can check that as well. And if you've not already subscribed, please do so that you don't miss out on the future videos or the future uploads which I do. The first card which we've got for you is the Judgment. That's interesting. We'll just tune in a little bit more. Let me get a few more. And also, if you want a private reading, you can write to agnya8@gmail.com. That's been mentioned at the description box below, and we can pick it up from there. So let me get second card for you. And we've got the Hangman. So the two cards, interestingly, both are major arcana. So that means this time is coming out to be very, very we've got the third card. I'll take these two together. We've got this is also the major arcana, the Star, and we've got the Cardinal. So this is very important, something very divinely guided, or it's like kind of divine has taken the charge of things, pushing things around for you and making things happen, which is so nice, isn't it? When you don't have to do things and when you get taken care of, that's a wonderful thing. And I'm sorry for this camera of mine is sorry, because this is my old one actually, which I'm using because the other one broke and I'm not being able to get the orders because of this situation we are in. Just give me 1 sec here. Let me kind of see that if it stabilizes. I'll not move it a little or a bit. Now here, the Judgment is what we've got here for you. In the normal tarot, if you see, it's generally been shown by the resurrection, and this could mean that they're like kind of trumpet being blown and people have been called to the heavens and the judgment is happening, which souls will pass, and nothing of that sort is being depicted here. And here it's like the judgment is definitely something which was unfair, something which was not done right is kind of correct. This could also mean, yes, resurrection by something in the past which was which had to come back, might come back in your life again, Pisces. But it will come back in a very serene way, and you will be in a very calm, collected demeanor is what I'm picking up here, because there is a sun shining, there is a wisdom with this bird sitting on top as a crown is what you've gained that wisdom in, as the time have passed. There is the beast in the background. I'm not sure if you can see that. There is like which has been killed by a lion or that kind of thing, but you're kind of watching that this world is full of it's a mix of good and things are happening, and there is nothing probably to pass the judgment what's good and all. Is killing good? Probably for that animal who was hungry, no, but when you look at it, oh my god, that's not good, because you see that other person has been victims, but you are very balanced and you're not judging anything as a good and bad. So you are kind of, if something from the past which comes back to you, you probably may not make or take much action, rather you will try and see things with a very different perspective, because that's the card which we've got. The next one, it's the Hanged Man. And here you can see the sun is the very consistent thing out here, and which is coming around. That means a clarity, that means something which you are moving along very swiftly. In this, there is this serpent with the human head, and the sword is on the head, which is a sword of wisdom I'm getting, and there is a star above, there is moon below, and there is so these things are like kind of all over the place, which mean in here is not anything negative in that all over the place and you don't know what to do. It's like the serpent or this creature is moving along and is seeing things because of the gained perspective, seeing things in different light. And it's not the and that is a positive thing, because you will be able to see things in a different light. The way you were seeing things before is not how you are seeing things now, and that's a positive change. And you're moving towards healing, you are moving towards the and because we've got the next card as a star, and it has come with the cardinal. And you can see that in the lost book, Nostradamus, this kind of strange creatures which were all around. And because if you see, the star is a card of wish fulfillment, it's healing. So whatever changes are happening around in your life, whether you're taking action, no action, they are kind of guiding you towards healing, they're guiding you towards clarity and a wish fulfillment. And if you see this again, the creature which is the half eagle and half lion with is also in motion. So things will get into the motion, but you don't really have to worry about it, things will. And this has come with the cardinal. You can see these cardinal is again a very renowned position, or and these cardinals are looking at this creature, or looking in the direction wherein, and all of this is looking into the direction where things will be moving towards. And here this also is kind of see the right side set of balance between earth and heaven. So you might be kind of gaining perspectives which are very balanced approach of the spiritual and the physical world is what I'm sensing. Now I'll just club it up, the second layer, which I always do. Let me get that to get further more messages. Let's see what comes around with judgment here. Is it a major arcana? Yes, I don't read the reversal. So this is the major arcana, which we've got the wheel. And wheel is a card of destiny. So destiny is at its play, and which is what we were kind of getting. Things will turn around as it ought to be, good, bad. You don't have to really judge that. Things are the way it should be. Things will be the way it should be. All you need to do is stay collected, stay calm, and look at things with a perspective, higher perspective, that all is in the divine order, all is in the right set. And we've got too many major arcanas. Only non-major arcanas are also the suit cards for you. And we've got the cardinal and the queen of wands. That is again the suit cards. So cardinal is actually from the this is like stars, which is a sword in the normal one, and it's like the knight of sword kind of, if I compare it with the regular tarot. So but you are kind of wanting to take the swift movement, but all that will be done in the very change perspective ways what I'm getting. But things are moving around in the destined pattern, destined way, the way it is. The wheel is looking up. Time is changing for you. Things are going to be looking up for you, Piscean, which is a good thing. You just need to stay confident, even if when the perspectives are changing, that is also making you gain more confidence in things, and which is again a very positive sign. This is also lighting up passion in you. It's lighting a fire in you, which is good. It's also the fire sign which is around there. Both the cards are depicting this is fire, and this is actually the air sign. And this change which you're sensing, the wish fulfillment and all that, actually if you see the sequentially, we have after the tower comes the star, because tower is the card of changes, is the when things are transforming, probably suddenly, it could be within, outside, whatever is not serving us. So when all these things which are changing, you heal after that. At that point in time, you may not feel that it's necessary, or maybe things look when you are in the scene, it maybe gets too much to manage, but then all is for in the divine order, and you are healing out of all that. So very positive, and very I would say the divinely driven read for the second half sneak peek. Do watch the overall energies as well, and sense of humor, and that's a guidance from Archangel Michael, that never lose sense of humor. Don't take things heavily. It's fine. You are on a journey called life, and take light of things. You don't have to really worry about anything. and don't feel heavy about anything. Forgive yourself if you kind of finding that it's not your fault, everything is happening the way divine guides it, divine wants it, so it's not your fault, nothing is really your fault. So don't take blame on yourself, forgive yourself, you've done nothing wrong here, Piscean. It could be somebody else as well. If you're kind of putting blame on somebody, maybe it's not needed. And take light of things. And we will also get one more guidance message from angels. Oh, wow, this kind of jumped. This could apply, or this could be for whosoever is watching this reading. If you're a cross watcher, then this is for you. And we've got kindness. Well, that's nice. In order to be kind, you must open your heart to gentle qualities of caring and compassion. Be kind to yourself. I think that's a repeat message in my view. Have reasonable expectation and give yourself due praise. In order to nurture the gentle qualities of kindness, cherish yourself. The journey begins with you, right? When you do something for yourself, you automatically extend the same energy to others. Kindness melts barriers of ice around people and re-empowers those who are afraid. Do reach out to the lonely, draw out the shy, include those who feel isolated, and comfort the sad. Your rewards will be sense of inner peace, warmth, and love. I am kind to myself and others. That's the affirmation which you can use as much as you can. So this is it for now, Piscean. So thank you so much once again. I'll see you when I in the next read. So take care, spread love, be happy.